grown adult owl. It's called a screech owl. He's actually 9 years old. This bird is very valuable to have around. They eat a lot of things, specifically rodents like rats and mice, a lot of insects, and you're really going to like this quite a lot. This is what he's really great to have around for. His favorite food is, in fact, cockroaches. That's right, he's really good to have around for that purpose. Now, the reason that he's with us is actually because he was the victim of a pelleted BB gun shot, and unfortunately, he lost one of his wings, and his left eye was detached from the retina, which means he cannot survive out in the wild. But he can be an ambassador, so that we can share his story, and you can see one of these birds up close, because they're very common to this area, but you just rarely see them ever. Now,